Hello everyone and welcome. So today we have this Kia Seltos and we have carried out the paint protection film treatment for the entire body of the car. Along with that we have applied the CarPro UVX, the Immortal 70 series of nano ceramic Sunfilm, and also we have protected the interior glossy pieces with our interior pre-cut PPF. So it's applied on this glossy part of the door, the center console, as well as the steering wheel. So if you do need a complete protection treatment along with the Sunfilm and the interior PPF, please do get in touch with me.